At Boatshed, Essex. Today I'm listing a 1959 Dutch barge which has been converted by the current owners and is now for sale via Boatshed, Essex. I'll take you for a walk along the port side. As you can see, she's on a mooring which is constantly floating. The barge has 8 berths, 2 cabins with two double beds and 4 singles, a very large living space and a collapsible wheelhouse on top. The engine on board is a John Deere turbocharged diesel, less than 90 hours on. Fully equipped to go to sea, although it hasn't done for many years. And has a bow thrust